Hey everyone! Welcome to Singable Words. Today we're learning a cool word you can sing with me. We'll break it down with its definition, synonyms, antonyms, an example sentence, and even a quick knowledge check. Stick around till the end for a funny joke. Let's get started!
Singable Words!
The word is
Keepsake.
Now let's sing it together. Grab any instrument you can play and follow through its chords and its lyrics.
Keepsake serves as a reminder or a souvenir from an experience or memory. It's not something that is easily forgotten or something that's left behind.
But wait, here are some words that mean almost the same thing. We call them synonyms.
Souvenir, memorial, remembrance.
Not every word has a BFF. Some have opposites, and we call those antonyms.
Disposable, replaceable, generic.
Subscribe down below and be sure to hit that like button. Now before we head on and use this word in a sentence, want to hear a joke? Why did the teddy bear refuse to be a keepsake? Because he was too embarrassed to sit on a shelf all day. Now let's use it in a sentence.
She treasured the small necklace as a keepsake from her grandmother, a reminder of their special bond.
Let's test your knowledge. Give me a thumbs up if the word is a synonym, and a thumbs down if the word is an antonym. So next time you're writing or talking, you can use this word or one of its friends, depending on what you want to say. So go out there and let your vocabulary grow with Singable Words.